And Cinco de Mayo series continues. Welcome back. Hi, it's Hani from Haniela's here. And in this episode, we're going to focus on guitar cookies, perfect for mariachi band. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I've got a handy template tracing outlines on a cookie. Pipe a zigzag line in a sound hole and then also outline it with about 20-second consistency royal icing. And then take 15-second consistency royal icing and outline and fill this area. Guys, if you're not familiar with my channel, I wrote an ebook that is dedicated to all things cutout cookies, from recipes to tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. You can check it out. Link is in the description box under the video. We're going to use wet on wet royal icing decorating to create a beautiful pattern here. I'm using green royal icing, piping short lines across like so. You want to make sure that the icing is about same consistency or slightly thinner than your base, and then run the scribe tool through. And look how pretty. Now we're going to add 2 daisies on each side. So I want you to pipe 5 dots in a circular pattern and then switch to a yellow icing, and pipe a dot in the middle. How pretty. And now we're going to create dotted pattern around here, wet on wet. So I'm starting with yellow. What I'm doing here, I'm dividing this circle into even sections. So my dots are evenly distributed. We're going to switch to red and then pipe a dot between each yellow dot. Pretty cool, isn't it? And then, because I love dots so much, I'm going to add more dots with white icing around the perimeter. Again, when creating wet on wet designs, it is crucial that the icing is fluid enough so it can sink in, and you can use the, let's say you're using a scribe tool to create certain design. So if your icing is too thick, you won't be able to achieve the same movement and same fluidity, so it can sink in. Now we can fill in the sound hole using orange icing. Use about 20-second consistency here. And then we're going to do the neck. I believe this part is called the neck. So outline and fill this section with orange icing. This can be the same consistency we used for the sound hole. 20-second consistency. And then we're going to use again wet on wet at the very end. So I'm just going to pipe 2 lines like this and then double it so it's a bit thicker. I have no idea what these are called. And then we're going to let this crust really well, or it's better if you let it dry actually, because if you just let it crust, you might puncture the icing. So let it dry for about 8 hours, and then we can use the same template, and we can make, I believe this is called saddle. I think it's called saddle. So I'm starting with 20-second consistency royal icing. You want to use your scribe tool and smooth it across, and I'm going to complicate things with more wet on wet. So take white icing. It should be about same consistency as the base or very slightly thinner. Use about 20 seconds to have better control to achieve this zigzag pattern. And then we can pipe the, are these called nuts? Or not sure what they're called. Pegs? I think they're called pegs. So use green icing, about soft piping consistency, pipe these, and then Whew, hold your breath. We are piping strings. So for the strings, use that 20-second consistency. You can get away with piping consistency, but I find that 20-second consistency with such a fine opening on a tipless bag is going to give you really nice results. Lift it up a little bit about the surface of the cookie. So we're starting anchoring the line, lifting it up, and then slowly moving it across. And as soon as you come towards the end, decrease the pressure on the piping bag and just lay that line down, like so. And then pipe a straight line across with orange icing, about piping consistency here. And that's how you can decorate these colorful mariachi style guitar cookies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we have another tutorial coming up for the Cinco de Mayo series. I will see you tomorrow.